A very warm welcome to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the concept of business environment. So as you can see here, the business environment means a collection of all individuals, entities and other factors which may or may not be under the control of the organization, but definitely it can affect its performance, profitability, growth and even survival. So we are talking about all those parties which are associated with a business organizations. Maybe that they are affecting the organization directly or indirectly, but the one thing is sure here that it can affect the performance, profitability, growth of the company. Business environment helps in identifying business opportunities, tapping useful resources, assist in planning and improves the overall performance, growth and profitability of the business. Yes, a perfect business environment helps to identify the suitable business opportunities which are existing into the outside world, how to tap the useful resources. It assists in planning and development of the company, and it improves the overall performance, growth and profitability also. Business environment is sum or collection of all internal and external factors such as employees, customers, needs and expectations, supply and demand, management, clients, suppliers, owners, activities by government, innovation in technology, social trends, market trends, economic changes, etc. So business environment is the sum of all the internal and external factors which are existing either inside the company or outside the company. They can be the employees, they can be the customers, they can be the government, the suppliers, creditors or anyone else, but yes, they are the most significant of part of the company, and they contributes something to improve the performance of the company. These factors affect the functions of the company and how a company works directly or indirectly. Some of these factors influences the company's or business organization environment and situations.